Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making a sweet recipe. This one is very easy to make. It doesn't need an oven and it also uses very little ingredients. Very easy to assemble and come together. It comes together in no time and it's super easy to make. Taste wise is amazing. I highly recommend making it and let's show you guys how to make it. To make this sweet, you're going to need 250 grams of roasted cashews. They look like peanuts, but they're actually cashews except for they've been broken. Here we have apricot jam, enough just to form a dough. We have about 3 to 4 tablespoons that we might need. A zest of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water, and to decorate we're going to need sesame seeds to just dust the sweets in, and glazed cherry halves. You can use green if you want. We're using apricot jam, which is why we're using the red ones. And of course we're gonna need these little liners. Our first step is we've put the cashews in a blender or a food processor and we're going to process them until a fine powder. Blended it to get this type of consistency. Now we're going to add in the orange blossom water and the lemon zest. And we're going to just mix that around, and then we're going to start adding in the jam slowly till we get a dough-like consistency. So we're going to start adding in the jam, and we need the consistency to be just enough so we can start shaping balls. And I'm just going to use my hands, but you can mix using a spoon, I guess. I just prefer using my hands. So after we've formed the dough, we're just going to take some orange blossom water and we're just going to brush our hands with it. And in case you're wearing any rings or anything, just remove them because they're not very practical. They'll just bother you. You're going to take a little bit, just a little bit, and you're just going to roll it into a ball. And you're going to put it here. You're going to dust it in sesame seeds and just take a liner, one of these little paper things. You're going to put the ball in here. And you're going to take half a cherry and put it on top. And you're going to put them in a serving plate. And of course we're going to repeat this process for all of this until we run out of our dough. So this is what it looks like after we've rolled it and decorated it, and as you can see visually it looks appealing, it looks beautiful. The cherry gives it a nice color, and yeah, it's very soft, very easy to make. You can make it last minute and it's totally fine. It will work, and I'm sure it's going to taste as good, so let's try one. So I removed the cherry because I don't know if I made it clear earlier, but I don't really like cherries. Fresh cherries, frozen cherries, glazed cherries, anything cherries. I just do not like cherries. And I feel like it's in terms of taste and texture, I just prefer not to eat cherries. But the sweet overall is amazing. So the apricot jam gives it that hint of sweetness, while the cashews gives it that hint of toastiness, and it's just a variation of textures with the sesame as well. And it's also very easy to make, as you saw, and very easy to just make. It's easy to eat. It tastes amazing, and you can also make it very last minute because it doesn't take that long to make. So I highly recommend trying it if you're looking for a last minute sweet idea. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!